Now I'm gonna work on the rear struts. See this? Nothing is holding it. This should be a very easy job because I did the front one. Now my hood is good. This is a new one. This is just 2 clips, no funny ball or anything like that. We got the clips and we're good to go. I got skinny hands, so I should be able to. There's a clip here, right here. That's the outside clip, but the inside. Let me try it. This is the easy. Another rag for the easy one. There's the rag. Where's the stupid thing? Oh, here. That is where the clip is. Just gotta open it up. There. There. I don't want this thing to. This piece of wood gets me. I'm not sure. I don't know how do I push it back? Let me see. How do you push it up? Trying to see what's behind. See there? A piece of rubber. So we take this heater thingy out somehow, helping the space to work on. See, here is just one clip there. Take that clip out, push it out. And on the other side is the same thing, it's just that it's deep. There, so I don't know if you can see it. Sounds like easy enough. Alright, so let me do it. So let me put this piece of, it's a rag. Actually, it's just in case it falls down. Push it in right here. So the clip is out. Now we gotta take out the pin. And I think I can use just this one. I don't have too many tools that I can pry with this. Got the pin out. I gotta push it up. And this guy is out. Now that this thing is loose, we take the clip on the bottom and then pry it out. So with some difficulty I got the other clip. Just make sure you have something to hold it, because if you drop it, manage the second pin. This is the bad one. This is the good one. It's a bit more tight. Slide through and we're good to go. So putting it back is the reverse, but you gotta do the outside first. So you see, after you get it in, I got a clip here. There. It goes there. It goes through these hoses. So you see, guys, I have this thingy just in case, because I dropped it. That way it's foolproof. I won't wrap it again, right? So let's go, because I'm almost done with this. So the other side, it actually wasn't that bad. You can see it here, right there. I got the clip on the other side. So a little bit of difficulty. I got this guy, see? So, let's see. Aha! It works after such a long time. So to recap, you could start on this one, on this side, which looks like the toughest one, but it's not. Just make sure you don't drop the pins. Take the first one out, then go to the deep one. Same here. Take this one outside here first. Take this filter out, because taking this out you get a little space there. And then take the little one out. And the reverse is the other way. You put this one first so the thing doesn't. And with a little pin you hook up the pin and the clip on both sides. It's just push, you can push it with your finger. Just be hard. That's it. I'm cool now. Alright.